Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing filtering of data in Excel list. For that, I have created one Excel list. I'm opening it. See, this is a list of chocolates and cookies of different companies with available price. The serial number is there, product code is there, description is there, category is there, and from which company it is manufactured it is also there, and price is also there. So see, it is a very long list containing 147 items. So some of them are chocolates in category, some of them are cookies, some of them are noodles, some of them are pocket snacks like this. So let us see, the list is available here, and out of this list what we'll do, we'll filter out some items as per our choice. First of all, what we need to do to filter, keep your cursor inside the list and go to data menu in the menu bar, and filter option is there, one filter symbol is there, click here. If you click, what will happen, at the top of the column, in the column name by the side, one filter buttons will be available, that is visible now. So whatever field you want to filter your data, that button, that field button you have to click, and you have to give the mention the filter condition criteria. So let us see, if I want all the items available in Parle company, what I need to do, come to company, click here, it is selected all now, unselect it, then only click Parle here and OK. All items from Parle company will be visible, and rest which are not coming under this category will be hidden, but still it is there. So suppose I want to mention multiple criteria in the filter, even if the list is coming from Parle company, under Parle company again a number of categories are there, some chocolates are there, some cookies are there. So I want only cookies from Parle company. So with the criteria already mentioned in company, just Parle, now come to category criteria and unselect all of them, and then go to select cookies. Okay. Now you see, you have given two different criteria to filter out some data. Whatever data rows are satisfying the conditions, these rows are visible. Rest of them are now hidden. Again, you can mention another criteria also in case of price. Suppose you want any item which price is more than 20 rupees or 20, you can mention this also here. Accordingly, that will be filtered out again. So whatever conditions you are mentioning here, if you want to unfilter all of them, then come to that data filter item and unfilter it. Click it once again. So every filter is going to be vanished now, and the original list is visible. So this is the easiest way how you filter data from the list. You can give any other condition also, some customized conditions also, some customized criteria also. How? See, again, being within the list, go to filter and click it. The filter buttons are available at the top of the columns. Now I want all items whose value is more than or equal to 100 should come. Click here, then go to number filter, greater than or equal to. Price is greater than equal to, just mention 100. So our criteria of selection is the price column greater than or equal to 100. Okay. With a single criteria of this, I'm just making it okay. See, the list is coming like this from different company with different category whose price is more than 100 or 100 itself. That list is coming. So even if my list is very long, still then that filtering works. Again, unfilter it. Go to filter once again, then price. Again, number filter equals 30. Any item which is equal to 30 will be shown. Again, unfilter it. Go to filter once again. Come to description part. Any description containing milk should come. My condition is text filter contains milk milk. It contains, the description contains milk. Okay. See, dairy milk, milk bikis, milk things like this, all description containing milk is coming. So that is how you can filter in text column or in numeric column also. You can mention more than one criteria for a single filter also, column wise or your customized. Okay, you can do it. Hope. Thank you very much for watching.